positive infinity. Okay. Then here, this is going up. This right here is going up and to the left. Okay. Up is going to be positive. Left is going to be negative. This is approaching negative infinity. When it's going to the left, let me put this down here. Let me do this because that's not. To the left, when it's going left, because it's going to the left, so it's going negative infinity. And then it's going up as well, so that means positive infinity. But on here, for up is positive infinity and right infinity. Right is positive infinity. So here is just positive, positive. Okay. However, over here, it's going to be negative, and since because it's going to the left, left is negative, and then up is positive. Okay. So you probably say, what does that all mean? And that right there, let me circle this with pink instead of green right there, guys, because I was talking about the domain. Let me be consistent here. Domain is my pink. Okay. So since it's going up and to the right, right is positive. Okay, so to the right is positive, and then it's going up to the left, negative. So remember what I said about if it's going negative infinity or positive infinity, left is negative infinity, right is positive infinity. That means that x, such that x is an element of all real numbers. Okay. Now the range here, the range, we're looking at the low boundary, the low and the max. So here, my low range is going to be my green highlighter. How low does it go? It goes to y equals, yes, 0. Okay. Then, after that, it has no, it's going up. It's just going up. Up, 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 up. Look, I put up there and up there. It's going up. That means it's going positive infinity. Just keep going up, up, up. So that's telling me that y, the range is y such that y is greater than or equals to 0. So it's, because this is solid, it's solid. So it's going to be, you can go anywhere on the y-axis from 0 on up and go left and right to get to this graph. Okay? Good. Looking good, right? It's looking good. You can do it. Okay? So then number 9, here we go. The domain, let me highlight this. Domain is going to be my pink highlighter. Range is going to be my green highlighter. Okay? So here we go with the domain. That's my x. How far does it go to the left? So that's 1, so left. That's the first it can go to the left. So x equals, how far does it go to the right? And that's x equals. Okay. So you go ahead and you put that there. I'm not going to write that for you. So that's x equals whatever you have here for your left boundary. That's what you're going to put first for your left boundary. Whatever you have for your right boundary, that's what you will put using your notes. Refer back to your notes. So how low does it go? The y equals, go up here, y equals. There you go. Now you put those numbers in. When you use these numbers, go back to your notes and say, okay, here we go. I have it set up here already for the left bound, right bound, low bound, upper bound. If it's closed circle, I'm going to keep it as the equals. If it's open, I'm going to erase the equal sign. I would not include the equal sign. Okay. Now go to number 10. Number 10, for the range, I'm using green. For the domain, pink. Let me go ahead and just put the pink and the green. This helps me. The brain loves colors, and I love my pink and green. Okay, so here for the domain, I'm looking at the left. Left, this is going up and left. This is going up and right. Okay, so here it's going up and left, positive and negative. Okay, here it's going up, meaning positive, and it's going right, meaning positive. Okay, so if you're looking at this right here to determine your, there you go, your domain. Okay, now this, when it's keep going up with the arrow, this means that's approaching negative infinity. Here, this is positive infinity. Okay, when it's up, it's positive infinity, positive infinity. Okay, So here it's approaching negative infinity to the left and positive infinity. That means that it doesn't have a limit for as in its left boundary because it's approaching negative infinity, and here it's approaching positive infinity because it doesn't have a boundary. So when it doesn't have boundary left nor right, then the thing is it's going to be x such that you finish it. I'm not going to finish that for you. So here with the range, and just refer back to the other that you had there. Now with the range, how low does it go? Here we go. So y equals, then how high? How far, how does it go up? What's the maximum? Oh, it doesn't have a maximum. It continues up. So y is what? What is y? How low does it go? So this will be y such that y is going up. So that means greater than this solid, or equals to what number? Whatever number you put there, you put it there and you close your bracket. Okay, and I will close the bracket here because you got to put your things there. Okay, there we go. Continuing on with number 11. Number 11, here we go. Number 11, the domain. What's the left boundary? X equals, the right boundary. The right boundary, this right here, it doesn't have a boundary. It's approaching something. So this is going down, meaning negative, and it's going to the right, meaning positive. Okay? Since it's going down negative, that means it's approaching negative infinity. When it's going down, when it's going right positive, it's approaching positive infinity. Remember, the right is associated with